I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Barb, and today I have a clean with me. It's not very long. It's a 15-minute video. My videos are usually 30 minutes to 40 minutes long, but all I got to do on this day was my kitchen, my dining room, my bedroom, and my bathroom. I hope y'all enjoy it. If you do, please subscribe and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing, where you're at. And for the most part, I'm just going to play music. I'll come on every now and then and talk, but I'm just going to play music and let y'all watch me clean and hopefully give y'all some cleaning motivation.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest.
I just wanted to bring y'all in here really quick and show y'all that Newair sent me another fridge, and this one is for wine. And I don't have a lot. I don't have a big collection yet, but I just get mine from the grocery store. This one has another shelf, but I took it out because these bottles were a little bigger. But yeah, it's just a super cute little wine fridge. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and I really like having it. I don't know if y'all remember the other one that they sent me. This one is the can fridge, and I just keep all my White Claws in here, and if we get sodas or whatever, I keep the drinks in here so that way it saves us room in the fridge. So I will leave all the codes down below, so if you want to head over to Newair and check out what they have, you can get a discount by using my code. Thanks, Newair.
Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
So for those of you who don't know me, or if you're new here, I'm Barbara Joe. I am a mom and a wife. I have 4 kids. I have a 1.5-year-old. I have a 6-year-old. I have a 10-year-old, and I have an 18-year-old. So I'm usually pretty busy. I try to keep the house as clean as I can, but every now and then I let it go. I also like to do things on the side as far as projects. I like to make signs. My husband and I like to build things, and I should be getting an Etsy shop up soon. Hopefully, as I said, I'm pretty busy already with all the kids and trying to do a YouTube channel. So it's in the making. Everything's coming along. It's a slow process, but I'm having fun doing it. Like I said, if you're new here, then please subscribe and hit the like and leave me a comment. Let me, I want to get to know y'all. Y'all get to see me all the time, and I never get to really get to know y'all. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave my Instagram down below too. I do post a lot over there on my stories of just daily things that I'm doing. So you'll see more over there than you will here. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and keep on cleaning.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
I'm just using vinegar and water to clean my stove, and then I use a razor blade to scrape it. And I need to go get the thing to put the razor blade in so I don't have to actually hold it with my fingers. I just haven't went here lately. We just had a hurricane. We're in the RGB, where I don't know if y'all are following, but we are being hit with the virus pretty hard. So it's just been hard for me to get out of the house. So anyway, yeah, that's what I use to clean my glass stove top.
We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
There is always a mess on my floor, and y'all will see how much I sweep up. This is a like open floor concept home, and so the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen are all together. And the 1-year-old, he gets bags of Cheetos or whatever he can find, and he just kind of destroys the house. So anyway, it's usually pretty messy right now. I know that in this part of my life, I'm always busy. I never have time for anything, but I don't take it for granted because, like I said, I also have an 18-year-old. So I know one day I'm going to be looking for things to do when all my kids are grown and I don't have to take care of them as much. But as you can hear, it's just always something going on around here. It's never quiet. I've given up on trying to find complete silence when I'm trying to work. It's just, I have to adapt and take it for what it is. So anyway, yeah, I wanted to explain that to y'all for those who don't know how it goes here.
You said that you needed me, like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking
And we have the computer here. This is not going to stay like this. We are going to make that whole wall over there a workstation. So I'm really looking forward to that. It's a very small area to work in, especially Cole. I'm doing this thing right here. It's a really small area to work in, especially when I'm using my Cricut and trying to make signs and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna try to make this a bigger work area eventually.
I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So this is the master bathroom, and it is like my happy place. I love the big bathtub, and every now and then I'll sit in there and have a glass of wine, and I'll just I'll just sit and like the Dr. Teal's bath stuff. So it just really relaxes me, and after a long day with all these kids and all the stuff I have to do, it's really nice to sit and relax. Like I said, this is kind of a short video, so I'm going to go ahead and say bye here. I have the baby crawling all over me, and he is just really needing my attention. So
Bye.
tell him bye already. Okay. Okay. So we will see y'all in the next one. Love you guys, and take care.